Hello, my name is Milan Pap. I'm a lecturer in the computer school Maret. Let's start lesson 003 AutoCAD command copy. Switch to AutoCAD. Menu modify command copy. This command copies entities. From menu draw, choose command circle and then select option center radius and then left click in the drawing area to set center point of circle and then write radius 50 millimeters in the command line and then press enter. From menu modify, choose command copy or left click on the icon copy. Select entities